BTS V, Jungkook, RM, IVE, Jangwon-young, aespa, Karina, and Winter. What do they have in common? They are globally popular idols, and at the same time, victims of a criminal's defamation. Hello, I'm your attorney, Jiwon Lee. While rumors targeting celebrities are not uncommon, this case of cyber harassment was exceptionally malicious. The YouTube channel, the Taldeok concentration camp, specialized in spreading fake news about idols and actors, misleading public opinion with false controversies. Recently, its operator, Ms. Park, faced consecutive civil and criminal lawsuits, was found guilty and ordered to pay damages amounting to billions of won. To exploit Jangwon-young's popularity for views, the YouTuber uploaded over 10 videos in a row, intensifying the harassment. This included spreading baseless rumors about conflicts with group members, jealousy, and family-related issues, using every possible method to continually torment her. Among these rumors were claims that the underage Jangwon-young was in a relationship with Big Bang's G-Dragon, who is 16 years older than her, disputes within IVE, and slanderous accusations about prostitution and cosmetic surgery. Wow. One of the notorious rumors involved Jangwon-young's daily milk consumption, falsely claiming she drank it solely for advertising purposes. Kang Daniel also became a target. The operator of the YouTube channel, the Taldeok concentration camp, Ms. Park, posted a video in 2022 titled "The Messy Private Life of the Nation's Boyfriend, Actor, Idol," with false claims about Kang Daniel. It suggested that he had visited a nightclub invited by Seungmi, a former member of Big Bang, he's everywhere, who was at the center of the Burning Sun scandal. BTS's V and Jungkook were also targeted. The YouTuber exaggerated incidents such as V sharing photo of himself with a beard and made comments like drinking and causing a mess, inflating the situation. From 2022 until its shutdown, the YouTube channel, the Taldeok concentration camp, amassed 80,000 subscribers and 160 million cumulative views. The channel generated an estimated monthly profit of 10 million Korean won from defamatory videos. However, on May 2024, the operator of the Taldeok concentration camp had her assets frozen by the court. This was in response to creating and profiting from false videos targeting multiple celebrities, including Jangwon-young, earning over 200 million Korean won in illicit gains. In 2023, Starship Entertainment, Jangwon-young's agency, and their legal representatives in South Korea sought to file a civil lawsuit, but the identity of the defendant was unknown at the time. They therefore submitted a request for information disclosure to a California district court. So-called discovery system used in US civil lawsuits, which is absent in South Korean civil law, was employed. The Korean legal team filed an ex parte application with the Northern District Court of California to identify the individual behind the crimes. This process led to the identification of Ms. Park, born in 1988. This marked the beginning of a counterattack. Jangwon-young filed a 100 million Korean won damages lawsuit against the Taldeok concentration camp owner. On January 22, 2025, she won the second trial, though the awarded damages were reduced to 50 million Korean won from the 100 million Korean won of her claim. Separately, Starship Entertainment is pursuing a lawsuit against the defendant for obstruction of business and is also conducting criminal litigation for defamation and insult. As a result, on January 15, 2025, the court sentenced the Taldeok concentration camp operator to 2 years in prison with a 3-year suspension and ordered the forfeiture of approximately 200 million Korean won. Kang Daniel also filed lawsuits. In the criminal case filed by Kang Daniel, the court in September 2024 imposed a fine of 10 million Korean won on the operator of the Taldeok concentration camp. Notably, this was over 3 times the prosecution's requested sentence of 3 million Korean won. Unusual decision given that sentences are typically lower than or equal to the prosecution's request. The significantly higher sentence indicates the court's recognition of the crime's severity. In Kang Daniel's civil lawsuit on November 27, 2024, the court ruled partially in favor of the plaintiff, Kang Daniel, ordering Ms. Park to pay 30 million Korean won in damages. In April 2024, SM Entertainment artists, including aespa's Karina and EXO Suho, also filed a criminal complaint against the Taldeok concentration camp owner for violating the criminal act, defamation. BTS members V and Jungkook also filed criminal complaints against Taldeok concentration camp owner in March 2024, along with a civil damages lawsuit of 90 million Korean won. The first hearing for the civil case was held on August 2024 at the Seoul Western District Court. More lawsuits will eventually follow, and Ms. Park, the owner of the cyber record YouTube channel Taldeok concentration camp, will face millions of dollars worth of claim, as well as the multiple criminal charges. Social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok have their servers overseas. Global companies often refuse to comply with police requests for information disclosure, making it difficult to take action against YouTube channels spreading fake news about celebrities. However, for the first time, Jangwon Young's agency utilized the US discovery process to obtain a court order through the American legal system, creating significant public interest. The discovery process, in simple terms, allows for court-ordered access to information in civil lawsuits, similar to how police conduct investigations. This landmark case set a precedent for identifying anonymous criminals exploiting internet anonymity. Being that said, the discovery process has its limitations. It is restricted in scope, requires substantial time, and incurs significant costs. Celebrity agencies, with their resources, can afford to spend tens of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars on such lawsuits, but individuals typically cannot. For this reason, the process is mainly used in corporate legal disputes or damages claims. Furthermore, given that user information on platforms like YouTube can be fabricated, even disclosed data may not be meaningful. It wasn't until the third request, when credit card details and revenue account information were obtained, that they were finally able to identify the perpetrator, Ms. Park. Although a malicious rumor producer has been punished, countless cyber scavengers continue to spread fake news even now. The best way to combat this is to avoid consuming such news or report it. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.